Okay, this is somebody's work. They paid good money to have this done. Look at this. Put a metal corner on there. Underneath this. Look at that. I'm not gonna believe this. Look at this. This right here was really good money. And I'm gonna take care of this problem. Because this ain't no joke. Watch this. I ain't showed you nothing yet. This is the way it was too. I didn't do nothing yet. Now watch this. I mean, this is the way. Yep, here it is. It's done. Nice job, huh? Gotta show you this inside. Yeah, it's done. Can I have my money now? I want my money now. That's what they say. Everybody. I think that was called Slather AS Construction. That's what it was. I know it was. Had to been. Almost looks good if you get back like this and look at it. It almost looks good until you get up. Take a good look. That's not good. Please tell me your thoughts as I'm here to fix this. They paid $700 to have this done. Can you imagine? You'll see the results when I get done. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. The pro you need to know. God bless.
Do this on here. This thing. This seat.
Let me see.
Because I don't want to do that stuff. I don't know how. Oh. Phew. The room stinks. Big pew. Where's my air freshener?
Why is the air stink? Crazy girl.
It smells in here. Like armpits.
Well, who's been occupying the room? You got to go from the source.
Take a shower.
Okay, I'm here to fix this. It was like trimmed over this. And then, look at this. He like glued this in. Never seen nothing like this in my entire life. Not even kidding. Here you have it, everybody. Look at this. This is kind of scary. That right there, just stuck up in there. Just stuck it right up in there. Here we go, everybody. I'm gonna just stick that right up in there. I take this off. Look, everything's just stuck there. I'm busy right now. Hold on. Fix some junk work. Five screws. And then he's got the plywood above that. Look at this, everybody. This ain't no joke. This is Harry Carpentry. The guy's name was Harry. I put some screws in here to tighten this up all the way around because I'm going to put my 90 on. Get all the junk out of the way, including all this right here. And then we'll get it hooked back up. Hey, everybody. Yeah. Look at this already. This is second coat. See that? Compared to what it was not even 2 hours ago. Yeah. That's 45 easy sand. Highly recommend it. I actually had to cut this channel, move this channel. It was all wedged in there. It looked like beavers did it. Poor woman paid to have this done, and the person took advantage of her. Made her happy with what it was. It was terrible, but now look how beautiful that is.